In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate ClickUp. So, without any further ado, let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to start by heading over to the ClickUp website. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and entering the URL. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool used by teams all over the world, and today we'll cover some of its essential features. Once you're on the ClickUp homepage, look for the login option. Enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're logged in, the first thing you should notice is how comprehensive the dashboard is. The layout is designed to keep everything you might need within arm's reach, promoting both organization and productivity. Next, we need to get acquainted with the highlight feature within ClickUp. It's an invaluable tool that enables quick navigation and laser-focused task management. So find and click on the highlighted area in the interface to see exactly what I mean. After that, let's switch gears to the inbox. Click on Inbox at the top of the page. This section will be your go-to hub for current tasks and ongoing projects, keeping you updated with whatever needs your attention. Switching over to TeamSpace is as easy as a quick click. Here, you'll see a collaborative environment where ideas blossom. It's set up to keep your team communicating and informed. Now, it's time to move over to the list view. This feature is crucial for maintaining a clear perspective on your tasks. Lists are a fantastic way to break down larger projects or workflows into manageable sections. As we go on, it's important to remember that efficiency is key in managing tasks. Click on various highlights to get an in-depth look at task details, planning, and design. These nuggets of information ensure nothing is overlooked. There's no overestimating the power of a descriptive note. That's why when you click on Add Description, you'll want to be thorough in your documentation. Clear descriptions enhance understanding and team coordination. Now, let's click on the TO Do tab. This section helps sort your tasks in a simple, categorized layout, making it easy to prioritize what needs completing. For scheduling, the calendar feature is your best friend. A simple click on the calendar helps visualize timelines and deadlines, improving time management. Finally, explore the Whiteboard new feature. This robust tool offers a visually enticing way to brainstorm and strategize while maintaining connectivity with your teammates. Hopefully, this walkthrough has provided clarity on navigating ClickUp and using its features to enhance productivity. Whether you're planning a big project or tidying up small tasks, ClickUp's interface is tailored to help you succeed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tutorials.